My own situation wasn't much better. Every single night, I was kept awake by the noise. My bunkmate upstairs would start snoring like a freight train the moment her head hit the pillow. When morning came, I went to ask the nun for advice on how to deal with someone like Dwight. The nun told me there used to be a sister whose snoring sounded like a tractor, keeping the entire convent awake.
I sewed tennis balls to the back of her nightgown so she couldn't roll that way.
Which prevented her from rolling over and forced her to sleep on her stomach. That night, I followed the nun's method and strapped a bunch of yogurt cups around Dwight's back, forcing her to sleep face down. Thank God, no more snoring. I was pretty pleased with myself.
Jesus, Dwight. I'm okay. I think I should go to medical. I should come with you.